driving very safely. Anyways, hello guys, welcome to this week's vlog. And George actually went out to get us some coffee, and we are again running late for church. When are we not? We were supposed to wake up like 3 hours ago, and we just let our alarms ring.
Yes,
and
that was fun.
Yeah, so the day has really turned around. It was so rainy in the morning. We just thought it was going to be a gloomy day, but it turned out to be blue skies. Look at that. And sunny. So we just got out of brunch and we are on our way to see a house, but we are highly interested in a new construction though, just because even like it doesn't matter like what size we build, it's just, I don't know, old houses give me the heebie-jeebies. Hey guys, I am barely getting out of the house and I'm on my way to pick up some lunch. I think I want some Chick-fil-A because after today we're doing no meat for the rest of the week. I don't know if you guys noticed, but last week that is exactly what we did. We completely cut off meats from our diet, and it was just 1 week, but we are hooked. We're not necessarily trying to be vegetarian, but we're trying to be more conscious about how much protein and actual meat we eat in a week, which is a lot. Earlier this morning, we actually got a delivery from HelloFresh, and I'm really excited about the meals on there. They look really good, so I hope they are. I've been craving Chick-fil-A since last week. I just want to go get some, so that's what I'm having for lunch today. After that, I'm coming back home, do my hair, and I'm gonna start filming. I have 4 videos in mind that I want to do before George gets home and we have to go to the gym. Yesterday is a total blur. We came back home after eating brunch and then we just played some games on our phones on the couch, just cuddling together. Then we went to get some crawfish. We watched some Hannah Montana and our night ended. So hey guys, so I just got back from the gym and I unboxed my HelloFresh box. Who's that? Oh, hey, babe. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
And here's what the plates look like at the end. Look how good this look. This is tonight's dinner, you guys. As you can see, it's many hours later from the last clip that you saw. So now it's time to eat dinner, and I hope you like it.
Yes, it looks so good.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished filming, and we're about to go to the gym. So now I gotta take my makeup off, even though I just finished applying it. But that's fine. I think I am out of makeup remover. Great, I'll be right back. Oh no, I don't. I still have a little bit of my micellar water. I feel like you guys are a little low there. So I took off my makeup and I changed into my workout clothes. So now I'm ready. I'll do a double cleanse when I get back from the gym when I take a shower. So I should be fine for now. Guys, I am running so late, but I just got done filming 2 videos. I'm on my way to meet up with my mom. She wants me to take her somewhere, not exactly where, but we'll figure it out. I think we're gonna get some lunch together. By the way, happy Friday. Can you guys see what Cairo and Pina did to me? No, hombre, Cairo me lo do toda la cara. You guys, I'm so sleepy. I stopped by Starbucks because I feel like I needed like a Friday midday pick-me-up. So I got a matcha latte. The first matcha of the year. Oh my god, I love this, but they only sell it up to like August. This is just what I needed. And I got a chocolate cake pop. Oh my god. So good. I also went and picked up the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette from my parents' house. And I have so much stuff to carry inside. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. So I'll see you guys inside. I don't know if you guys can see me. I think you can see me now. I am still working on my matcha. As you can see, I removed my makeup. I wrapped up another video that I was filming, and now I'm about to film another video. I kept my eyebrows on as good as I could, just because that's gonna save me a lot of time. I just finished filming with Latte 2, the first look of the 3 looks on palette, and now it's time for me to take all of this makeup off again so I can go to the gym. Or maybe George wants to take me out to dinner. I don't know, because I just did my makeup twice today, but I really want to go to the gym as well. I did go to the gym early this morning, as you guys saw. Finally, don't you disrespect Jordan's sparks like that. But I suffer by
If you're wondering why I'm miserable and why I can't talk right, is that my legs hurt. It's hard.
just picked him up from his little, what is it called? SLA, Staff Leadership Academy. They make him work out, okay? So he's sore. So we have been home for quite a while. We actually watched 2 movies already. Well, 1.5 movies. And then Matthew called us crying. So we rushed out of here thinking he was in trouble. and we went and picked them up, and we also picked up some dinner. So we have Chick-fil-A on the menu tonight. I'm guessing the kids are gonna stay over. We're gonna watch some more movies. We're gonna eat dinner, and we're gonna call it a night.
Yes, time to go to sleep.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.
If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and go watch the other weekly vlogs that Catherine has posted. Good night. Wish me luck.
Just add some enthusiasm just to that.
Wow. He's
And you're
pretty
just
good.
a whole YouTuber.